Good morning. So my friend Aline was wondering how to make CCF tea, and so I want to show you. So first you have to get the seeds. This is a mixture of whole fennel seeds, cumin seeds, and coriander seeds. So you want to get them in seed form and not in the powder form. And I get mine, I buy in bulk from my sister's buying club, and you can get a pound of organic fennel seeds for $10, and it's about the same price for coriander and cumin seeds. You could also go to a store that sells spices in bulk, like Whole Foods is a good place, or you can probably figure it out. So whole seeds, and then mix them in 3 parts equally. So if I'm making a big batch, I'll put a cup of each in a jar or a bag and then shake it up so they're all mixed together. And then you have your tea mixture. And then I have here this little tea ball. It goes like this. And I take a teaspoon of the seeds and put it in the tea ball. And close it up. Tea balls come in lots of shapes, so it doesn't have to be exactly like this. And then I have, this is about 1 quart thermos. It's insulated. And you put the tea ball in there, and then you fill it up with hot water, boiling water. And you want to let it steep for about 15 minutes before you start drinking it. But if you keep it in this insulated thermos, it's going to stay hot all day. And that's an important part of drinking the tea, is you want the heat on your tongue on a regular basis. This will help your body to, it stimulates digestion. So your body will start to metabolize things that are undigested, get rid of any waste in your body. And the spices also help with that, with the cleansing and the digestion stimulation. And like I said, I've been doing it for a while now and really have actually noticed a big difference on my tongue. I can see less ama, which is undigested material showing up from my digestive system. And I also have I think I've lost a couple pounds and I didn't do anything else. So anyway, I hope that this helps. And it's a really simple Ayurvedic technique that brings a lot of benefits. So I hope that you try it at home. Om Om.